Hello,
Hello, good morning. Sit down, please. How can I help you?
I'm an international student at Korea University and I'm just arrived in Korea in this morning and I'm planning to study here for 2 years. So I would like to get a phone number to call.
I see. So you just arrived here today. You only have passport and you will stay here for 2 years. So in this case, I can make a phone number with your passport first, and it will take around 2 or 3 months to get the ARC card. After you have the ARC card, we keep the same phone number and connect the number with the ARC. And for now, for students, we have the promotion here: buy two get one free. So we will get the 3 months prepaid package with only 40,000 won. So after we have this one with your passport, we wait until you have the ARC and connect the number with the ARC.
Okay, I got it. And can I call with this SIM card?
Sure. So for the SIM card, we will have unlimited high-speed data, unlimited domestic call, unlimited SMS.
Okay, so can I ask that I would travel to Japan after I get my ARC. So it is possible for me to use the SIM card normally when I come back to Korea.
Yes. So please make sure that you contact us to connect your phone number with the ARC before you leave Korea. And if you connect the number with the ARC, you can leave Korea and come back and keep using the same SIM card. But please make sure that you do not change the ARC or visa type outside of Korea.
Okay, all right. So let's do it.
Okay. Can I have your passport, please? Thank you. So to prove that you are the student of Korea University, do you have the letter from your school?
You mean this one, right?
Oh, yes. May I know if you're using the iPhone or Android or what phone you're using? Okay, I see. It's Samsung, right? It will take around 15 minutes to get a SIM card. Please wait for a bit.
Oh, thank you. Excuse me?
Yes.
So do we have Wi-Fi here?
Sure, yes. You can connect to the Wi-Fi here.
15 minutes later.
Hello. The SIM card is ready. Can I have your phone? I will help you to set up the SIM card in the phone. Thank you. Can you reset the phone once to test if the SIM card works or not? You can turn it off and turn it on again.
Okay, so everything is perfect.
Okay, perfect. So we have Instagram, Facebook, and email address here. If you have any trouble with the SIM card, you can send a message. So for now, I will need to send you the policy of the SIM card. Can you send a message to Instagram, Facebook, and email here? Which one is more convenient for you?
Okay. So I would like to connect my Instagram.
Okay, I see. So please send a message to this Instagram with your name. I will reply to the message.
Okay, I already sent a message.
Okay,
by
I see it.
Instagram.
I see it. Okay, so if you have any trouble, you can just send a message later.
Okay, thank you.
And when you have the ARC, you can visit the store again to connect the number with the ARC, or you can just contact us via Instagram, Facebook, or email to do it.
Okay, thank you. I got it.
So it will be 40,000 won for the SIM card. Do you have a cash or card?
Maybe I will pay by cash.
Thank you. Thank you. Is it? Thank you. And we have your passport and the letter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you for
Bye.
drinks.